Okay, I am done with this little kitchen project for now. We have the cabinets are all installed. Crown molding is installed. We have the countertop lighting is installed. We're waiting on the dishwasher till after the countertop and sink is installed. So we have quartz countertops coming in here next Thursday, and once those are installed, then I will come back and do all the final touches, hooking up the sink, the dishwasher, instant hot, and whatever other goodies they have. But yeah, so if you remember from the original kitchen, all it had was a pantry here, I think it was, the stove, the corner cabinet, and the sink. A little cabinet and a fridge, and that was it. Nothing on this wall before. It had a little chest of drawers, but they weren't able to use it. So basically, all they had for cooking was from here to here. And half of that was a sink in front of the window. They have a lot more usable space in their kitchen now. But yeah, it's worked out really well. We have our scribe is on the side of the cabinets here, and it butts up into the crown molding. I'll come back later and do the putty on all the nail holes. I just have to get back over to the big project, and we have a bunch of tile that we're getting ready to do over there. So the fridge is all set to go. It is a countertop depth fridge, 24 inches deep, and then another couple inches for the doors. So you can see there's the body of the fridge right there, and then the doors and the handles. But yeah, very nice. It's all Whirlpool appliances. Everything is nice and matching. Range is real nice. It's got halogen cooktops on it. Or, they're the... Where is that? There we go. There. Yeah, so that's good. It lights up real quick. Okay, that is it for now. Let me show you the difference in lights. That is the kitchen with no lights. Kitchen with the overhead lights. Kitchen with just the countertop lights. And kitchen with both lights. They are really liking their countertop lighting, and then when the tile backsplash is put in, that will set it off a lot more with the color of the tile. Okay, so that is it for this job for now. A real nice improvement to their kitchen. They have a nice little deck area out here, trellis. That is an old wisteria bush there, so it'll probably grow back before too long. And one last look. Okay, I am off to other things now. And that's the other thing that's got to happen. We have the hot and cold to the sink, hot for the dishwasher, cold to the Instant Hot. These are just junction boxes here. That left side is the power for the dishwasher, the right side is the power for the sink disposal. Okay, see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep following these projects. Thanks for watching.